Hey guys, it's Poochie. Guess who's back with an unboxing? It's Drea from Pallet Land. Elvis, let's have a look.
Hello guys, it's been so long since I saw you last. How have you been? I hope you're doing wonderful. I haven't seen you in so long that I've changed my hair. Do you like it? So we're doing Walgreen shelf pull unboxings. I wanted to do at least one before I went home today. I'm working at the store and I've been so busy that I just haven't had time to even do one unboxing for the Walgreen shelf pulls. Because you know my business is different and the Walgreen shelf pulls is different. This is Cocoa Melon, just add water. Ooh, water reveal art. That's really cool. I wonder if it smells like coconut melon or something. I don't know why it's called Cocoa Melon. Here is Pictionary with an erasable board. That's pretty fancy. We have several of those in the box. Oh, look at these shoes. Nice shoes. Okay, how many Pictionary games do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 of these Pictionary games. And then we have 2 of these mini brands supermarket race game. Those are familiar. Man, it's just like riding a bike. You don't forget just because you went away. I didn't go away. I've just been busy, man. I've been working. And today I started working on my pool because it's getting to be springtime in the state where we live, North Carolina. And check out these little shirts. Swim Tee Rash Guard. This is to protect you from getting a rash from your floaty, I've been told. And also it will help you keep from getting sunburned. They're just little t-shirts, UPF plus 50 plus. So of course you still have to do your hands and your face and your neck, which is the worst part. Who wants to put lotion on your face? Okay, so we got those. That was nice. And then we've got 2 of these master lock combination locks. See? Uno, dos. Okay, and that's it for this box. Bam! 1 box done. Beep, 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 beep. Okay. Hello, and welcome to Walgreen Shelf Pool. We got a pallet from Walgreen Shelf Pools, and I'm unboxing it now. I'm in the back of my store, so if you see things, sorry about that. My name is Drea. I am a part of Poochie's Pickers. I am a part of the team. All right, so we have Kotex Security Light Days, 126 liners, times 3, I believe. Bam, bam, bam. We got some, talk about well-timed spray bottle with a fan, because summer's on its way. It is springtime. We got 2 purple ones and a blue one of those. This is a blood glucose test strip from Walgreens. These are all from Walgreens. These are Walgreens shelf pulls. Ooh, an incomplete set of jeweled bobby pins. I wonder who could use that since it's incomplete and we can't sell it. Hello. Oh, here's another package of those organic cotton core tampons. Nice. Oh, and we got another box of the Always Zzz period underwear. 360 degrees coverage for worry-free nights. Nice. That is really nice. That will provide someone with some peace of mind. This, ooh, I'm gonna use one of these for my store. Pledge Everyday Clean Multi-Surface pH balance to clean and care. Ooh, I'm gonna leave one of those just sitting right here. It probably smells good. It is fresh citrus. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bottles of that. And then we've got strong soothing action, Robitussin Nighttime Cough DM. Yay! And that is box number 2.
Thank you for another fun and exciting unboxing from Pallet Land. Drea. Remember, buy low, sell high, subscribe.